Hello, everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about, how me and Paul purchase properties, or one of the ways we purchase properties. So, as many of you are aware, me and Paul, we don't market directly to home sellers. So we're not doing pay-per-click ads. We're not sending tens of thousands of mailers a month. We're not, paying someone to do SEO. We're not running Facebook ads, etc. We buy primarily off online and offline auctions, right off the MLS and from wholesalers for the most part. So here's one of the ways that we purchase properties. So it's a little system we set up where, we get a daily email basically with properties that are fixer-uppers in a certain market. So in this example, let's just say this property here is in Royersford, Pennsylvania on 5th Street. And, we get this email and we start taking a look at the property, see if it makes sense, and then make an offer. So how do we get this email? Basically, if you have access to the MLS in your local market, you can set up a search criteria. Here we look for residential properties in a bunch of counties where we're at, and you could exclude certain areas. What's your price range? We get a notification as soon as they hit the market. You could schedule it for days on market, 90 plus, 120 plus, whatever you want. And then, we look for 3+ bedrooms. We look for most types of houses, and we don't want any, new construction. And we look for properties that are below average or major rehab needed. Now, every MLS is different. We do this in different markets. Philadelphia is one of them. We're looking at San Antonio, Texas right now, and we're going to continue to expand into others. But, every MLS is different. So you might not have indicators like this. You might have to enter in keywords. So look for fixer-upper, estate sale, TLC, etc. So once you set up this criteria, you'll get that email every day, and you'll receive properties just like this that meet your criteria. So they're already filtered for you, sent directly to your inbox at whatever time of day that you want. And then from there, you kind of just, run your comps, look at your due diligence. And, after you run some numbers, do things make sense? We essentially, send that information to our virtual assistant. And here's a sample email. Basically, we're sending the contract. I don't know what's going on there, but it should be just a sample of an agreement of sale. Let me try that again. And for a reason, it's not loading, but here's basically a filled out agreement of sale that we have our virtual assistant fill out. And basically, we tell her the purchase price, and then we do $1,000 earnest money deposit and say we could close in 30 days as is, no inspections. And then we also attach some proof of funds for the agent. Just kind of a template email here that, we send them, it's a cash offer as is, attached to proof of funds, and we could close 30 days or sooner. So this is a great way to purchase more properties, whether it's to wholesale. So we'll actually buy these, and some of them we could resign the contract if they're not REOs, or we'll take it down if it's a deal and remarket it as is, or clean it up and wholesale it, or we could buy it as a rental, or we could buy it as a rehab property. So those are, we utilize all extra strategies as we teach. And again, this is a great way to, as properties come on the market each day, look at them right away, submit an offer. And, it's a numbers game. So the more they come through, the more offers you make, the more deals you'll get. So I hope this video was helpful as another way to, make offers on properties, whether it's and buy them, whether it's a wholesale or, buy as a rental. And if you want any, if you want any other, videos in the future, let us know below in the comments section, and I could create videos based on what you guys' interests are. Thanks a lot, and have a great day.